Every premium horn begins its journey long before it reaches the factory floor.
Collected with care, each horn carries unique, natural character.
The journey continues towards specialized processing facilities. At the factory, precision begins with organized receiving operations. Every horn is inspected before entering production. Sorting ensures each piece finds its most valuable purpose. Traceability and organization guide the process from the very start. Only carefully selected horns advance to the next stage. The raw material now enters the heart of the factory. Here, natural antlers begin their transformation into luxury products. The first stage removes years of natural surface buildup. Controlled drying prepares each piece for detailed evaluation. Every contour is examined for perfection. Technology records the unique profile of every horn. Sorting determines the future purpose of each piece. Only exceptional material qualifies for premium craftsmanship. Stability is essential before transformation begins. The factory now prepares to unlock the material within. This is where raw horn begins its journey toward luxury. Large antlers are transformed into carefully measured components. Accuracy at this stage defines quality throughout production. Every internal layer reveals valuable manufacturing potential. Preparation ensures precision during every machining operation. Digital machining creates the foundation of luxury craftsmanship. Even the smallest material is carefully recovered. Distinctive forms emerge from the natural material. Refinement begins where rough shaping ends. Careful smoothing enhances the horn's natural beauty. The raw antler has now become a precision-engineered material. Automation now takes precision to an entirely new level. Every movement is guided by digital accuracy. Natural material begins to resemble luxury design. Elegant details elevate craftsmanship beyond utility. Uniformity ensures flawless assembly later in production. The material's natural beauty is carefully revealed. Hours of refinement emerge as a brilliant finish.
Human expertise perfects what machines begin.
Cleanliness prepares each piece for premium evaluation.
The transformation is complete, but perfection still awaits.
Precision is confirmed before the final finishing begins.
Every surface is examined for absolute perfection. The final touch brings depth and brilliance to the horn. The horn's natural character is preserved and elevated.
Controlled conditions ensure a durable luxury finish.
Human craftsmanship gives the finish its final depth.
The finished components are prepared for premium assembly. Protection is applied before the final quality checks.
Every premium piece remains fully traceable through production.
The luxury finish is complete, and the final tests are about to begin.
Before approval, every component must pass rigorous evaluation. The smallest imperfection can determine the final grade. Precision measurements confirm manufacturing accuracy. Material consistency ensures premium product performance.
Durability is measured long before the product reaches customers.
A premium finish requires measurable consistency.
Every product remains traceable throughout its entire journey.
Only the finest pieces earn final approval. Quality verified, the products move toward shipment.
After countless inspections, the luxury products are finally ready for the market. The final stage protects months of careful craftsmanship.
Protection begins with precision packaging.
Each finished piece is secured for its journey ahead. Every package carries a complete production history. Individual luxury products become organized shipments. Secure packaging preserves quality during transport.
The finished products await destinations around the world.
The final logistics operation begins. Years of natural growth and months of processing now leave the factory. And this is how modern factories produce luxury deer horn products from start to finish.